Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and OMG, y'all, we have so many surprise pennies this morning, plus we have tons of overage. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals like this one right here. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, for anyone who is new to Dollar General penny shopping, please keep in mind that we do not ask employees about penny items. That is the #1 rule, because these items are supposed to be pulled off of the sales floor by this morning. However, with surprise pennies, the employees don't know, so we have a huge advantage. So all you have to do is go into your local Dollar General store, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video. If you find them, scan them with your Dollar General app. Make sure you have your correct store location set, because as with all clearance and penny lists, your miles may vary. All right. If the price shows up and scans at 000 or 001, that means that you have in fact found a penny item. And I do have the penny policy posted over on the community tab. Also, don't forget that the deals are in the details, so if you skip through this video, you're probably going to skip over some important information, which means that you're probably not going to get in on some of these deals. Alright, so don't skip through the video, just watch it all the way through and it'll help me help you. Now, also want to remind everybody that we have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of penny items today at the DG. Huge categories of items. So I have already posted one video going over everything. If you missed it, make sure that you go and check it out. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. This is going to be a really good day. I've already scoped out a couple of my stores, and man, I cannot wait to get out there and start shopping. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at these surprise penny items. First up, we have the Welch's Fruit Snacks. This is a 32 count box. We also have the Welch's Fruit Snacks Berry and Cherry. This is also a 32 count box. Next up, we have the 4 count Chocolate Quaker Instant Oatmeal, and the UPCs are on your screen. We also have the Nature's Valley Peanut Butter Chocolate Granola Cups. This is a 10 count box. Now this is a special one because we do have a digital coupon that will go right along with it. We have a 75-cent off one. So if you can find one box of these, pick them up, use that digital coupon. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you 74 cents in overage. Now, one thing to remember with the overage, we never let the cashiers give us cash back. All right, so you need to add something else into your transaction. That way that overage will have something else to apply to. Now, for this item, we also have a 50 cents off 2 digital coupons. So if you pick up 2, use that coupon. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you 48 cents in overage. So if you can find 3 boxes, you are already over $1 in overage. Now, also keep in mind that we only get overage at old register stores. Overage does not work at self-checkout or the new register stores. Alright, next up, we have the Kellogg's Rice Krispie Treats Birthday Cake Flavor. This is a 7 count box. We also have the Kellogg's Fruit Loops Cereal Bars. This is a 6 count box. We also have the Kellogg's Frosted Flakes Cereal Bars, also a 6 count box, and those UPCs are on your screen. Next up, we have the Lucky Charms Oatmeal, also a 6 count box, as well as the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Oatmeal, also a 6 count box. Next up, we have the Clover Valley Fruit and Grain Apple Cinnamon Cereal Bars. This is an 8 count box. Up next, we have the Clover Valley Fruit Snacks. This is a 6 count box. We also have the Captain Crunch Berry-tastic Pancake Mix 24-ounce box. We also have the Kellogg's Apple Jacks with Marshmallows cereal. This is a 10.5-ounce box. And good news, with this item, we do have a digital coupon. So if you can find 3 boxes, pick up all 3 for 3 pennies. Use that 1 off 3 digital coupon. That's going to make all 3 boxes completely free, plus give you 97 cents in overage. So we're already looking at $2 in overage. All right, up next we have the Kellogg's Apple Jacks Jumbo Snacks, and this is a 12 count box. We also have the General Mills peanut butter Chex Mix. Again, the UPC code is on your screen. And the good news with this item, we do have a couple of coupons. So we do have a $1.25 off 2 digital coupon. So if you pick up 2 boxes, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1.23 in overage. And then I also have 2 1-off 2 digital coupons on my accounts. So pick up 2. Use that 1-off 2 digital coupon. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you 98 cents in overage. All right, next up, we have the General Mills Pokemon Berry Bolt cereal. This is a 10.3 ounce box. And again, we have those General Mills coupons. So if you can find 2 or 1 of each, one of the Chex Mix, one of the Pokemons, pick those up. Use that $1.25 off 2 digital coupon or the 1-off 2 digital coupon, whichever one you have on your account, and take advantage of that overage. And last but certainly not least, we have the Clover Valley Honey Crunch and Oats Breakfast Cereal. This is a 28 ounce box, so look for those value size boxes. All right, guys, so that is going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stay tuned and turn on those notifications because I do have a few more lists that I need to go through and double check. So stay tuned. There may be a part 2 for our surprise pennies for today. So, before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, and do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful penny shopping day, and I will see you on the next one.